Want to practice Arabic writing? In this video you will write words that contain the letter
لام.
Are you ready? Let's start. In this lesson, we will introduce the letter
لام.
Lam is equivalent to the English letter L, as in lulled or lollipop. The letter Lam is easy to pronounce. Notice that the stroke begins well above the line, descends below it, and then curls back up to meet the line. Now try to write it with me. Let's see the three basic voweling signs when used with
لام.
First, here's the Fatha. The pronunciation now will be
لا.
Next, this is a Kasra. The pronunciation now will be
لي.
And finally, there's a Damma, it, now pronounced as
لو.
Listen again.
لا. لي. لو.
Now, let's practice writing and pronouncing these basic voweling signs. When
لام.
is written with Fatha mark, the pronunciation now will be
لا.
Try to write it with Fatha mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin.
لحم.
Means meat.
لا. حي. مي. لحم.
Now let's join these letters together.
لا. حي. مي. لحم.
When
لام.
is written with Kasra mark, the pronunciation now will be
لي.
Try to write it with Kasra mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin.
لتر.
Means liter.
لي. تي. ري. لتر.
Now let's join these letters together.
لي. تي. ري. لتر.
When
لام.
is written with Damma mark, the pronunciation now will be
لو.
Try to write it with Damma mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin.
لعبة.
Means game.
لو. عي ب هي لعبة.
Now let's join these letters together.
لو عي لع ب ب هي لعبة.
The letter
لام
has four possible positions: isolated, beginning, medial, and end. Let's write them. Let's handwrite the isolated form. Here is how to write the beginning form. Like
لبن
means milk.
لا ب ني
لبن.
Now let's join these letters together.
لا ب ني
لبن.
And next.
لقب
Means nickname or title.
لا ق ب
لقب.
Now let's join these letters together.
لا ق ب
لقب.
And next.
لجنة
Means a committee.
لا جي ن هي لج نه
لجنة.
Now let's join these letters together.
لا جي لج نه ن هي لج نه
لجنة.
Here's how to write the middle form. Like
قلب
means heart.
ق لي بي قلب.
Now let's join these letters together.
ق لي بي قلب
And next.
جلد
Means skin or leather.
جي لي دي جلد
Now let's join these letters together.
جي لي دي جلد
When those exception letters come before the letter,
لام
it will be written in the middle of the word. Like this. For example,
دال
means bucket.
د لي و
دال
Now let's join these letters together.
د لي و
دال
And next.
ولد
Means boy.
و لا دي ولد
Now let's join these letters together.
و لا دي ولد
Here is how to write the in form. Like.
بصل
Means onion.
ب ص ل
بصل
Now let's join these letters together.
ب ص ل
بصل
And next.
ليل
Means night.
لا يي ل ليل
Now let's join these letters together.
لا يي ل ليل.
When those exception letters come before the letter,
لام
it will be written in the end of the word. Like this. For example,
ذل
means humiliation or debasement.
ذو ل ذل.
Now let's join these letters together.
ذو ل ذل.
And next,
عدل
means justice.
ع د ل عدل.
Now let's join these letters together.
ع د ل عدل.
And next,
حلول
means solutions.
ح لو و ل حلول.
Now let's join these letters together.
ح لو و ل حلول.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.
Don't forget to like this video. If you need any help, please leave a comment, and I will be glad to answer your questions.
Learning with Eman. Free Arabic course.